Hello, welcome to lesson 2, System Overview. In the previous lesson, we saw why do we need OV and UV protection circuit. In this lesson, we will see how the circuit works. So this diagram shows a system of a refrigerator which is protected against over and under voltages. The OV-UV protection circuit takes the power from the same supply where my refrigerator is connected. It samples that input and measures the current voltage. If the voltage is in safe range, it short circuits the two terminal A and B through a relay. But if it detects a over and under voltage, then it cut off the two terminals through a relay so that the high current cannot enter the circuit. Let's have a look at the circuit of OV and UV protection system. Here is the input of the circuit and here is the output. I'm dividing the system in three blocks: step down block, comparison block and a switching block. In step down block, we step down the high input voltage to a small value so that we can provide the required amount of voltage to other blocks. We also convert the voltages to a value that is suitable for comparison with some reference value provided by the Zener diode in the comparison block. Now after comparing the voltage, comparison blocks generate a digital output which is high when the input is over or under voltage and low when the input is in the safe range. Based on these digital signal, switching block control the refrigerator circuit. If the digital signal is high, then it cut off the refrigerator, and if it is low, then it switches the refrigerator on. I hope the working of the circuit is clear to you. We will design all the three blocks separately in section 3 of this course. But before that, in section 2, you will learn the basic terminologies you must know before designing this course. See you in the next lesson.